How to turn on auto capitalize as well as double tap spacebar to enter a period automatically. This is for the Samsung keyboard, Android 15, One UI 7.0. I'll show you where to go to find these features and how it works. In the not so distant future, when you're ready to enable these two features, let's just say you are about to start typing, your Samsung keyboard is going to show up like this here, and tap on the settings toggle right there. Once you do this, you'll see the Samsung keyboard settings, then go down until you see more typing options here. Once you enter here, you'll see auto capitalize and double tap spacebar to add a period. So go ahead and turn them on now, and we'll go back to the typing section to show you how it works. So for the Samsung keyboard with auto capitalize, your keyboard will always start in the all caps mode once that feature is enabled. So let's just say I type some words in, and if I start a new line, as I start, my keyboard is going to go into the all caps mode. So as I tap enter, you'll see how the keyboard has now entered into the all caps. That is auto capitalize. Now let's just say I type a sentence, and it can just be any weird thing here to give you an example. And once I'm done typing my sentence here, I will double tap the space bar. And when I do that, it's going to add a period followed by an extra space. So here we go, 1, 2, and you'll see that there is the period and that extra space to start my new sentence and continue typing from there. And notice how the keyboard becomes a capitalized keyboard when you start a new sentence once you show that there's an end punctuation mark as you're typing. And ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.